That's what they said. Feel as though you will begin to see a number of things unravel right before your eyes. You will be able to, I was going to say program your steps. It's like things will begin to come together quickly for you. You will begin to see how one thing is connected to the other, especially when it comes to your divine destiny, what it is that like your steps are ordered. So many of you are moving into calmer waters. You are leaving behind what no longer serves you. You are being very thoughtful about what it is that your direction, right? What you need from your past in order for you to have to make the journey safe. Some of you may even be going to some type of retreat, or taking your kids to some type of retreat. But overall, it may even just be relocation and travel. But I feel as though many of you have really gone through some type of rite of passage, and you have graduated. So you have graduated. Some of you have gone from a space of barely getting by to calmer waters, and things are beginning to pick up in your finances or the way that you do things overall. You may have asked for help, and the help came miraculously out of nowhere. But overall, I just see that you are detaching from your old ways, moving away from old ways into new ways of doing things, and you're only taking select people with you. Everybody ain't going, and you are defending that right for you to move on and move away. You are standing in your truth about this right here. Something may have been, some type of secret may have been revealed that you were waiting on. You weren't acting until you found out, like, oh, okay, now I got the facts, right? And it was revealed to you, and you are really focused on maybe a Sagittarius. You may have been restricted by certain circumstances, people, whatever. You were restricted by something. You felt as though you couldn't make a move or do certain things until you had some type of clarity. And once you broke free, you got to it, right? It may have even been that you were restricted from being happy. You were restricted from coming together with your family members. You were restricted from taking this vacation that you want to take, or to have this relocation. You felt restricted. And at the end of the day, I feel as though some of you may be cohabitating or deciding to cohabitate here. And through deep contemplation, it feels as though, you've asserted yourself, mastered your emotions, and you out. Being very logical. Yeah. Some of you are really in a space of wanting to, you're doing like a soul retrieval. You're pulling in parts of yourself from the past life, past whatever, right? Because of whatever happened in Mercury retrograde, you have figured some shit out. So, you may even be buying some type of car that you wanted from your childhood and trying to figure out how you can make this happen. But overall, I'm seeing here where you have a decision to make when it comes to possibly a connection with someone from your past. There's a decision that needs to be made. Do you reach out to this person, or will they reach out to you with an apology so that you can have a clear conscience moving forward? Can you work on this? Can you move forward? There's a lot of ascension going on. So many of you may already be in that and feel as though you're ascending to an even higher state of awareness. And you are also being pulled back into what love is, what is hard work, what is unconditional love, what is that known joy that you had for a certain situation, person, or what have you. But like, it has to be internal in order, you're internalizing that feeling. Thank you. Now then, for one of y'all out there, this just came to me real quick, and I'm finna get the big girls out. Somebody here left someone behind, and the person feels as though they want them back and they can't get them back, right? And the other person is like, left them to, do some soul searching, some healing here. Moved away from them. Hopped in the car, put everything that could fit in the car in there, and told their ass. May feel as though someone needs a divorce and they don't know how. Someone may need a divorce from this person, or has divorced this person in order to go back or seek a soulmate situation, someone who is more on their frequency or what have you, and want that happily ever after with them. So that's the other way that can go. Y'all got to figure it out. Why am I here? You got to figure it out. Okay? I can tell you about how these cards came up and through here. Watch this. Y'all been waiting. Some of y'all been laying waiting, sitting in the bushes, waiting for the right time to strike. Whatever the hell you striking. Whatever you're focused on. Sitting back waiting for the opportunity to make a move. Sitting back waiting for some things to be revealed. Sitting back waiting because you know the shit coming. That's the high priestess, right? You've had some intuitive nudges, or you're also maybe just waiting for something intuitively to happen, like you need a sign. You're waiting for a sign, and the sign comes, then you're ready to make a move, right? I feel like many of you are really about to receive the information in which you have been seeking, if you haven't already. And it may be a number of things that are coming to, yeah, it is. Okay, so there will be a number of aha moments. And this is just confirming your intuition overall, though, because some of you already have the intuitive nudges, but you are extending it and making these folks work harder. Y'all just be working these folks on the other realms. I need more clarity. I need more information. I need this. What the hell is you doing? Building a case up against what? Moving forward. So the information is coming to you. I also feel as though like you will be having a very strong download that is going to have something to do with your commitment to your obligation and whatever it is that you signed up to do in this lifetime. Y'all on y'all way. I'm seeing here that there will be a lot of activity. I knew it. Look at that. Okay. So, with this waiting, some people may feel as though you are being standoffish with them, but like really it's time for y'all to chill at that time. If you've already passed this, I'm not talking to you. Now, you'll be in a space of needing to chill because you've already had some type of epiphany, when something comes to you and how you need to move forward. You'll be analyzing it, really sitting back and analyzing things so that you'll know which direction to go and how to go. There is someone who may be coming in to clear up some things for with you. I really feel like whoever this is that is coming, I'm trying to keep all this in thing, whatever. But there may be someone coming to clear up things. I thought I fixed that white balance. See how that's darkening? Move forward. But someone may be coming in to clear up some things with you. You ain't trying to communicate with them. I also feel as though some of you, your enemies will be revealed to you, and you were waiting because it feels as though someone may have been playing a certain type of role in your life, and you, like, no matter what other people were saying, other people couldn't see what you knew intuitively about this person. So it's going to be revealed, and then you're going to clear up some shit. Some of you may also be coming out of a space where you thought you were depressed, but you really weren't. And it's time for you to really get back in the game here. There's some type of contract or some type of obligation. Some of you may be signing some type of deal, signing for something, going to court overall. Let me see what's crossing. Let me get these out the way. Yeah, maybe a divorce or a marriage, either way. But I'm saying that someone is trying to, there is a need, stop saying someone. There is some type of paperwork. Maybe you're renewing your lease. You want to move, but you decide to stay there because you got this information that came through, like this is what you need to do. And whether the information came through from, because spirit works through people, spirit works through everything, right? So whatever this, these synchronicities or what have you that came through, and you're going ahead and making a commitment, or someone is to you. So let's see what this commitment is. Maybe with an earth sign or a Libra. But I feel as though this may even be a new job for some of you. You finally get that bid or work, whatever it is that you have been working on, and you have a decision to make. There may be 2 offers coming in, or you are really indecisive about if you really want to do this or if you want to move forward in with another prospect or whatever. Yep. You got to make a decision, and you got to make that bitch phase, right? Once you make the decision, it's forward movement from there. Many of you will be working on your heart center, as I thought. You'll really be feeling very loved. There will be a lot of love coming in for you. Whatever. A lot of love coming in the month of August. So you will be, as long as you continue to internalize what it is that you want to have reflected externally, it's here, if that's what you want. If you don't, that's your life. You will be taking time to mend fences here. There is I feel like someone may have been heartbroken or left in the cold. There got them 10 of cups, but somebody come in and make it right. Whether you doing this yourself, because I be having my 10 of cups by myself. Something like, what? Better learn how to get them 10 by yourself. But I feel as though this may be dealing with family overall. There's some healing on that level for some of you. I feel as though some of you will be reclaiming your power, and that's where that explosion of beautiful love energy is coming from as well. And I feel as though once that happens, once you really take into consideration what you need to work on when it comes to your when it comes to making self-care a priority, making that decision to really take care of yourself moving forward, take care of, you're setting things in order. And that's where that weaving of the destiny comes in. You're setting things in order and you're allowing things to, you're slowly weaving as you go. You're fixing yourself, fixing relationships, cutting people out, taking time out for reflection, etc. Someone may feel brokenhearted because they were really trying to make something work and it just didn't work. So here comes the Tower. Shit gets shaken up. What is in the dark is coming to the light in August, honey. So I feel as though a lot of things that you thought were one way, or there was this way to do this, or something huge is about to happen, right? I really feel this may have to do with a new moon or second quarter moon. Which one is that? Moving forward. In dream state, there may be some things that come to you that frighten you. There may be some things in dream state that are revealed to you that they may scare you because you feel as though, how can I do this? How can I answer the call to that? That's so much. Wow. Well, it was revealed to you, so apparently you can do it, right? So what they're saying here is that you will be destiny directed with whatever this is that happens in this Tower moment, whether it's you feel like it's a bad dream because you just like, I don't know how I'm going to do that. This is brilliance. Use that shit. If I got to, you got to too. Fuck that. I be scared sometimes. Like, who going to do that? Just go on with it. After I get over the initial shock. Let me clarify this Tower. There may be mixed emotions. There may be this huge... When this change comes, this change of direction, this change of approach, some of you may even have okay, I ain't never heard that before, but some of you may all of a sudden be able to speak a different language I'm just saying, stranger things have happened here at the House of Oshun, okay, but I ain't never heard that. But you may all of a sudden be able to speak different languages. But I am seeing here that whatever with this Tower moment, it may cause some type of arguments. There may be some arguments or some disagreements regarding some type of secret that it may be a family secret overall that's explosive and causes some huge uproar. Moving forward. After this, I do see a cornucopia of blessings. So whatever it is that you have, it's harvest season. Whatever it is that you have been working on, you doing the work, making self-care a priority, following, damn, I'm finna go. Justice, clarifying cornucopia of blessings. You've been working hard. You need this it may be some type of litigation going on, and you've been waiting for, what it is that, waiting for this shit, you were pressing it. Let's slow down. You were pressing the issue. You need this shit done by a certain date so you can make a move this way and the other, and spirit pulled you back. Like, hold on, just just chill out, let this shit play itself out. And boom, justice, cornucopia of blessings. You start worrying about yourself and then working on your elevation, internal elevation, spiritual elevation, ascension. And there go the damn blessings. Them fairies on your side for those of you who work with the fairies. Now, this is, I really believe this is karmic justice. Justice has been served, period. Do you live a mindful, present, and aware life, or do you refute, repress, and reset without challenging yourself to heal and grow? I hear people say they want to be a better person and turn right around and refuse to do the work. I too have struggled with this, and it became very clear what I needed to do. How often do you repeat patterns of behavior and repeat certain cycles over and over? Do you really hold yourself accountable for your feelings and attitudes? How much longer will you go against the grain and create more damage? I had to learn to incorporate 5 things to become more mindful, present, and aware. They are patience, forgiveness, persistence, self-love, and stillness. Once I did these things, my life began to change for the better. I now enjoy my process moment by moment, and I teach you this in my journal, a 90-day journal to mindfulness. You can check it out along with my other tools at toolsforintuitives.com.